Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a small tutorial on how to start email marketing business for beginners. Because we're always, preparing our content and preparing our campaigns, but we need to be aware that email marketing is really important for our businesses. And you need to follow a couple of steps when you started your email marketing. So make sure you personalize, you go to your settings and you have a general, basic settings for every email list that you're creating. And when you send out your emails, you have them ready, like your thank you page, your subscription page or unsubscribe page. And don't forget that you can drop files or do designs of your own or use Aweber and get them ready. So make sure that when you go to your settings, because you need to do it properly, don't just jump on messages and campaigns, and you need to have landing pages, and you need to have the process ready. And you wouldn't have facing problems, if you know what I mean. So it's better that you have set up those settings before. So if you just started, but even if you have an email marketing business and you're starting, so you have subscribers for your blog, it's also important for you to segment your lists. So make sure you have the right email list with the right product, and make sure you have sending the right email to the right email list, like or a freebie that you send or an offer, if you know what I mean. It's better because that will help you with sales. So you go to list settings, and the basic setting is basic, like your name and your website and everything. Then you can personalize your list. If you go and creating a list, make sure you connect your Facebook page, your Twitter. I have done this by default. You don't have to, but it's good, because if you are connected later on also with Twitter, it's good you have all those connections and social media ready. So when your subscribers receive the email, they can check it out and follow you and connect with you on the social media. Then you have the subscriber page, that sign up forms, and you have ready. So make sure you have all the settings, and then you save. So this is really pretty straightforward. You can have your company name, and here where it says logo, you can drop a file. I connect the Canva, but you can drop a file with your freebie, for example, picture, or your company's logo if you want, with some products that you're selling. Then you have your website and email signature. It's good to have it nice, and also make it simple. So make every list different, because you are selling different products, if you know what I mean, and you're segmenting. So you do all those changes here when you create in a list, and then you save. The confirmation messages, because you need to make sure that before you go to email marketing campaign or to subscribers, or adding any subscribers, or importing from some other list that you have, those are the important steps you need to do in order to make everything clear for every product or anything for different campaigns that you have. So then you have the confirmation message here. You always have a double opt-in. We say that is very important. And the subject line, like confirming your subscription, for instance. And then you have your subscription here. You can write a couple of things, as I have. Free ebook, for instance, or whatever video you send, write it here. So that's why it's very important for you segment. And then you make sure you have all these on, like send the Aweber sign up forms, subscription report, all those things are important. and default success page, of course, and then save the settings. You can create your own, you know very well, with Canva or whatever other company you use. We'll talk about those in a future video. And then you can save it if you want. So it's really, really simple. So before you go for messaging or you start to broadcast and, you know, having ready for email marketing page, it's important you do those steps. And then you can do the automation, and then you can have different campaigns. It's very, very important you set up for this, because before you start in any campaign, so you know if you are beginning, even if you're not, then you know how to deal with your subscribers. Because it's also, guys, it's better because you are, if you have in different products, it's better to have it's better if you segment your list. And obviously, again, landing pages, sign up forms are also very important. Make sure you have those ready and you connect them with Aweber. I will put the link below if you want to use Aweber. And I think it's free for a couple of, I don't know, it's 30 days. So, and also your subscribers, automation, if you have, you know, different campaigns, if you write them, or because we're all of us writing whatever, you know, our own, so you use some of examples. So it's really, really important you set up your settings before you do anything else, because otherwise it's gonna look very, you have to go back on it and, you know, adding things, and it's not professional. Because if you started, just do this and take one step at a time. So thank you very much for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, connect with me on the social media if you have any questions. Have a great day.